Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the online tutor jobs or else work from home jobs. Okay, and while coming to the eligibility, any graduate, okay, that you are willing to tell the school student subjects, okay, so whatever the graduate it might be, graduation it might be, you can apply for this one. And you may earn up to 40,000 rupees per month, guys, and based upon your workload, the salary also may increase, fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper one as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down, guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Coming to the present content of the video, so here I'm going to show you the two websites, guys. That means two websites are belonging to the online tutoring only, okay. And it is part 2 that I am doing. The part 1 video already there in my YouTube channel, so you may search, guys. And part 3 video also I will do. So to get the details or else the upcoming parts, okay, then subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Then all my videos you will get as a notifications to your devices, fine. And in this website, so it is a find tutors and coaching centers near you. So if you scroll down, it is official website, guys, okay, please just check down, because I'm not providing the links in the description box of this video. So by typing the LearnPic in the Google, okay, you will directed to this website, guys. And you may check down whatever the different subjects are there in this one. So mathematics, English, science, physics, spoken English, economics, accountancy, and the computer classes, right? So all these things are there. And place also you may check down the Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune, Ahmedabad. Of course, anyhow it is an online tutoring, so you may belongs to any place, not a problem. So here the class 9 to 10, 11 to 12, IIT JEE, NEET classes, CA CPT, English speaking, study abroad, and the programming, all these things are there. Anyhow, if you want to check that what are the current vacancies are there in this one, then if you scroll at the end, then you will find out the careers at LearnPic. So just click on that one and then you will be directed to the whatever the current vacancies are there. Okay, you will be directed to these vacancies. And coming to the first one, it is business development executives for an overseas tutoring marketplace. So location is Kolkata, experience 1 to 3 years, and the salary is 25 to 30,000 rupees per month. And what are the key skills must be there? Okay, and what you have to bring? Okay, all these things are mentioned here. That means you must have the bachelor's degree with MBA, at least 1 year of experience in online sales, excellent English communication, proficient in using technology, and all these things. But anyhow, I don't want to show this recruitment. Why? Because I kept the title as an online tutoring. But anyhow, if you belongs to MBA and if you're interested in this one, then you may apply, guys, no problem. And coming to the next one, it is online English tutor required for Wizard.com and the remote working. And the location is Noida, experience 2 to 10 years, and the salary is 25 to 40,000 rupees per month. And the key skills: English teacher, English tutor, English content developer, online English teacher, online English tutor. Okay, and here at Wizard.com, we are building the new product aimed to providing the personalized fun one-to-one English classes to school students in India as well as in the Middle East. And what you will do? So what are your job responsibilities? You have to train students in English, assist them with public speaking, creative writing, vocabulary building, spoken English experience in IELTS, TOEFL training, and cooperate with parents and students to define the learning objective, foster a love of learning in your students and boost their confidence. And what you have to bring? Experience in tutoring English, okay, and a bachelor's degree, currently studying or the graduated, anything is fine. Teaching, if the teaching certification is there, it is preferred, but anyhow in India we don't have any such type of teaching certifications, then no problem. Okay, it's your optional, guys. Okay, if you are having, then you may put. If you don't have, then it's not a problem. Okay. And excellent communication skills, proficient in using technology, ability to work independently, and able to teach on weekday evenings and the weekends. Okay, and what we offer: highly competitive pay depending on experience and qualification, flexible working hours, and opportunity to grow as a tutor, Location, this is a remote opportunity, so the candidate may be based to anywhere in India. Job type is part-time contract. Okay, minimum availability or commitment 20 hours per week is required. If you want to apply, click on this one and then you will be directed to the online application form. Just fill up all the details, whatever they are asking here. See guys, become a teacher online. So just click on this apply now and then you can start filling up of the online application form. So just like the online maths tutor required, so 2 to 8 years of experience and 25 to 40,000 rupees per month. And you have to tutor grade 4th class to 12th class students in mathematics, assisting them with homework, clarifying concepts, all these things. Okay, and bachelor's degree, currently studying or graduated, anything is fine, not a problem. And a location anywhere in India. Next, full-time maths tutor required for Bengali math book video solutions. So here you will get 20 to 25,000 rupees per month. Okay, and yeah, so currently these are the vacancies are there in this online tutoring institute. So if you want, you may apply, guys. And coming to the next one, I told you the two websites I'm going to show. The next one is Fixed Tutor. So it is the official website of this one. And you have to open this website. Okay, so after opening this website, and you have to go for the tutor registration form. That means if you want search Fixed Tutor in the official, in the Google, then you will be directed to this website. Okay, and if you scroll down here, the online tutorings are there. So just simply scroll down, and here the looking for students. That means if you are looking for the students, so join us as a home tutor or coaching institute and become a part of our community of teachers and academicians. So start getting assignments and the students. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just fill up the details here. Click on I need as a students. Then the next step is that sign up as a tutor, complete your profile, start teaching, and update the profile. Okay, so these are all things that you have to do, guys. That means the total 4 steps are there. Okay, so getting students for home tuition or online tuition has never been more easier. So these are the things. And if you're having, yeah, here the frequently asked questions are also there. So you may check down that one also. And if you want to start your journey with fixed tutor, then you have to fill up these details. So I am a tutor, and what is your first name, last name, email address, and mobile number, password, confirm password, select the gender, and then click on the sign up. Okay, then the next process will be, it is the registration. Whatever the next process is there, you just finish all the complete process. Fine. So these are all the details regarding the online tutoring jobs from the LearnPick as well as the Fixed Tutor. Okay, so in the part 3, I'm going to bring up the few more online tutoring jobs. So to get all these things, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues, which will be very much helpful to them. Okay, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month, 2,900, and for 3 months, 2,823, and for 6 months. Okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.